The 9 to 5 is changing, and now is the best time to go out there and start being your own boss. With the cost of living crisis, AI coming for your jobs, and a record search volume of how to go self-employed in January of 2026 alone, more and more people are thinking of making that jump. I'm Alan, I'm your YouTube certified expert, but I'm also someone that made the jump to be self-employed themselves 15, 20 years ago, when it wasn't so expected. It wasn't the remote job revolution. When doing my due diligence and flicking through all articles online, I recently found out that Monzo researched 2,000 people, and it says that out of 2,000 people, 81% of people are confident that their side hustle could be their full-time job this year. There's been a surge in searches on CV Library for side hustles in 2016 and side jobs to make money. This is people actively looking to make that jump. We've had frozen tax thresholds, energy bills skyrocketing, mortgage costs. All of this is driving people to find that little extra income. And in some cases, you might even be in an industry where AI could truly cause some problems for you in the next 2, 3, 5 years, when people don't just look at it as some kind of weird tool, but actually use it, enhance it, and actually use it for their productivity. I know that I use AI myself, and I am now easily 3 to 5, if not 10 times much more productive now than I was before AI was a mainstay. And that's just for stuff in the creator industry. My titles, my thumbnails, my descriptions, writing scripts, for example, all are being helped by this AI system. So learning that or even embracing that could be your next side hustle. Those aged between 25 and 34 earn the most out of side hustles, with an average of £507 per month as of the Monzo data. This proves that it isn't just beer money. This is truly something that could change lives. I know that when I was younger, when I was setting up my first web development company and I was struggling to pay the staff, but I had to make sure that I had some form of wage to pay my bills, I'd take around about £600 a month home. I was right on that breadline. So if I could find an extra £500 a month, that's immediately my rent, my food. In all honesty, if it wasn't for sponsorship deals through YouTube and Muscle Food, I wouldn't really have eaten some months. It truly is a mindset shift. Are you secure in your own job? Are you secure in your own income? Where will you be in 2, 3 years' time? Is there an AI out there that might replace you or make the 7 salespeople on your team too many? Now you only need 3 and a good AI. But on the other side, if you're owning your own income, you can't really be fired by yourself. Trust me, I've tried. I keep getting hired every time I wake up in the morning and need to pay my bills. So why specifically in 2026 is it the best time for you to go out there and start your own job? Be your own boss. It's never been so good. You've got AI growing, so all you need to do is have AI teach you how to use AI, and now you become an AI expert, and then you can help other people that have yet to jump on this AI bandwagon. There's brand new platforms that continue to grow, and they are still free, so why not go out there and do the Gary Vaynerchuk thing and, just outwork everybody? And the creator economy that exists now is much more widely accepted, much more widely respected. I was in the creator economy a good 10, 15 years ago, when the idea of making money online was this kind of pipe dream. I've had people actively tell me, you're never going to make money just sitting there playing with your computer. These new platforms, AI, and the creator economy already being set up lowers the barrier for entry. All you need to do is learn and adapt what you know to the new creator economy. Not only that, freelance is just widely accepted nowadays. Thanks to, that time when we all got very ill for about 18 months to 2 years, the world changed and remote work has been much more widely accepted. This now means that you can go to work and do your 9 till 5, home, feed the kids, sort yourself out, and then it's that 7 till 9 at night or the 7 till 10 at night. That's where you earn your money. That's where you start your new life, and that's where you become your own boss. If you need help in figuring out what that side hustle could be, I've done a video on it right here.